How's it going, guys? My name's Rami. Welcome back. It's 2024. We're here. New year. Let's get it, baby. We're so pumped. We're going full throttle. Can't freaking wait. Behind me is a 2009 Lexus ES350, and today we're changing the cabin air filter on this vehicle. The cabin air filter is a really simple process and a really easy thing to replace. All you'll need for this job is a cabin air filter. It's gonna take you literally 5 minutes. I can't wait to show you. It's really simple, guys. But with that, let's get after it. For this Lexus, it's an AC Delco professional cabin air filter. I will link this product in the description below. But really simple, guys. We're gonna get into the glove box, open it up, make sure it's clear. And literally right back here is where the cabin air filter is. We're just gonna pop off this cover. Really simple. And right there is the cover for the cabin air filter. You're gonna have 2 tabs on both sides. Sorry if my hand are covering it. So you'll have a tab on the right, tab on the left, squeeze, pop out. Lo and behold, here is the cabin air filter. Let's get a side-by-side comparison of both filters. So look at the old one, look at the new one. Huge difference, guys. So really needed to get this guy done. Really simple. Just like that, we'll slot the new one right in. We'll put our cover back on, and it's labeled really nice for us. This says up. Two clips, and finally we'll put our cover back on. Boom. Just like that, we are done. And just like that, guys, we have replaced the cabin air filter for this 2009 Lexus ES350. This can work on Lexuses, Toyotas, a lot of different model years and a lot of different models. I'll link all of them in the description below. Super simple, super easy. We got it done. Look how gross this is. But we got it taken care of, guys. This is what the Lexus dealership quoted us, and this is how much we're saving. Guys, super simple, super easy. We got it done. My name's Rami, this is RQ's Garage. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider smashing that subscribe button. We got so many more videos coming out this year. We're gonna grow RQ's Garage up into the moon. And follow me on Instagram. Here's the Instagram handle. Please feel free to follow. I got daily content coming on there. I appreciate the support. I'm so excited for 2024. We got so much in play. I'm Rami, this is RQ's Garage, and we'll see you on the next one.